Okay.
Seriously, okay. You gotta say 3, 2, 1 after.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, we'll just go with it. We've got our turn signal. This is the little switch that we flick to turn the turn signals on, right? And it says it will work for 6 volt or 12 volt, but I feel like it probably has a 12 volt bulb in here. And if I turn it on, it's probably gonna have a problem. So I kind of want to see if I can take this off. Oh, it just screwed off. That's easy. And we'll take a look at this. So come over here. Oh, also came with some instructions. And I bought one of these guys. A 6 volt flasher. And that's going to tell it to go like this instead of just staying on. So we got our flasher. We got our turn signal. Let's take a look at this bulb. Let's see what it says. 12 volt. Just like I suspected. And I think, is this a 6 volt bulb? This is a 6 volt bulb that I am going to put in its place. Just like that. I kind of just want to open the instructions and look at this real quick and kind of see what we're getting ourselves into here. Alrighty. And let me see, I think one of the wires goes to my brake light switch. Yeah, I've already looked at this online and I was kind of trying to figure out what this one's all about. Why do I need a wire to go to the brake light switch? And I think that's because in some cases your turn signal may share the same light as the brake light, so it needs to know to turn the brake light, like when the brake light's on, to turn it into a flashing turn signal. But since my brake light and my turn signals are separated, with 2 separate bulbs with 2 separate lines, I don't think I need to run that one. So I'm gonna let you handle all the wiring.
Why?
Because you should know what you're doing by now, right? With all the amount of work we've done on this thing, you should be an expert by now. Right?
No.
Okay, so go ahead and take your wires and start hooking it up. Go ahead.
Wait, what am I supposed to?
Hook it up.
How am I supposed to hook it up?
You just hook it up. Just put the wires in the thing. Just connect the wires. All right, we'll figure it out. So, anyways, don't just ignore her. She's crazy.
Ignore him. You need to see me.
Anyways, I got all 4 wires from all 4 corner turn signals already run through from the lights. Bulb's already in place. The wires are coming through the dash and they're just hanging on the inside of the dash. So it should be easy to connect them to this. And then the power, this battery, when it goes to the battery, I'm going to run to the battery terminal on the ignition switch. So that's how we'll do that. And we'll see how it works. All right, I got my wires hooked up to the flasher. I got a little bracket mounted under the dash to hold that. So I think I will go plug this in, get it some power, and then hook up some of these wires and see if it actually works. Coco still. She wanted me to come play with her, so she had it. She's like, play with me and I'll give it back. Ow. I just hit my head.
Ooh. I don't want to stand here.
You say you don't want to stand here?
Yeah.
I thought you liked helping me with the truck. This thing is kind of cheesy. I wish there was a better bracket, but it's what came with it, and it's what I have. So for now, it's what I'm gonna use. Whatever. Okay.
What do you mean, whatever?
I mean, I'm just gonna deal with it for now. I'd rather have something better looking to hold this on. Hey, Lily, since you're back there, can you tell me if the back lights are doing anything? Are they flashing?
They're just like on, like not flashing.
Scoot. Can you pull these tools out so I don't have to slide across them once you're out? Thank you. Alright, so I got the turn signal stock mounted roughly where I want it. And it's probably, most of the time you would have it on the other side, but there's too much going on over here and nothing going on over there, so there it sits. Okay, so I got all the wires coming in from the back, got wires coming down, trying to figure out which ones were which because I labeled them terribly and I have no idea, but I finally got it figured out. Excuse me. And well, we got one little issue. Okay, so when I flip this, so we're turning left. Here's my current situation. It's on, but it's not signaling. I switched out the bulbs for LED bulbs. These flashers, they are not compatible with LED lights. They don't, because they rely on heat draw from the bulbs, from the electricity going, I don't know how it works, from the amps being drawn from those bulbs being on, heats up a little element in it that opens and closes. Anyways, I had to get a digital flasher, 6 volt. So I don't know if this is going to work. I hope it does. I guess we'll find out together. So we'll go and swap this out and see how it goes. All right, unplugged this one, plugged this one in, but now this one needs to be grounded. All right, have it wired in, have the ground going up. Let's try it out. Oh yeah, it's flashing now. Oh, I think I knocked the wire loose. There we go. I knocked one of these wires. Yep. I just have these close pinned together. Hold on. Yeah, buddy. I put this cover back on. She works. Success.
Tumbleweed Garage.